Practice A for section 7.5. We're going to look at these exercises. We're going to find the area of a triangle. Round to the nearest tenth, it says. We'll round to the nearest hundredth. We need to find this leg length if we're going to find the area of a triangle. So space may be a little tight here. Area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. I'm going to say that my base is 10 and my height is unknown. Okay, so what goes in there is the height. Now, you could solve for this height as a decimal. When you get that decimal, you got to be really careful not to round it, because if you round it and then multiply it with something else, you're making more error. What you want to do is find this exact answer. So I'm going to show you how you do that. That's just basically not typing it into the calculator until the end. We want to find this. We're going to use tangent because we have an acute angle. We have a leg, we want a leg. Actually, we don't even need to use tangent. I know this is 10 squared roots of 3. Okay, so maybe I'll just do that right now. See how it's a 30, 60, 90? That's your short leg, that's your long leg. This is definitely 10 squared root of 3. So that's the exact answer. I can put that over here. 10 squared root of 3. Now you can type it in your calculator. Type it in your calculator when you know all of these exact answers. Don't round before then, otherwise you're making error. Now, again, I don't need to type this in the calculator. I know how to do this. Half of 10 is 5. 5 times 10 is 50. So this is really 50 squared root of 3. But they said round to the nearest tenth. Now remember, I'm going to do hundredth anyway. So 50 squared root of 3 gives you 86.60. And now this is an area. So it's centimeters squared. I used my 30, 60, 90s to get that exact answer. I didn't use tangent. I didn't need to. But I'm going to. Let's go to 21. There's more space over here. The area of my triangle is 1/2 base times height. The base and the height of a right triangle are the legs. I'll say one base is 22. The height is unknown. We're going to solve for that. And when we put it here, we're not going to put a decimal answer. We're going to put the exact answer. I can't use 30, 60, 90. I can't use 45, 45, 90. So I need to use tangent because I have a leg and I want a leg. So tangent of 36 equals my opposite over my adjacent. Now if I want x by itself, I need to do 22 divided by tan of 36. And this might seem weird to you. That's the exact answer. That's what you put here. 22 divided by tan 36. Because it's exact. Now I can type all three things in and get an answer. I know half of 22 is 11, so I can just do 11 times whatever this number is. So watch how I type that in. I'll do 11 times 22 divided by tan 36. There may be some difficulties doing this in a phone all at once. If that's the case, maybe just do 22 divided by tan 36, find that number, and then multiply by 11 afterwards. Be resourceful if you don't have a calculator. This is your area, 333.08. And our unit is inches, so inches squared is what we got. Huh, this is a cool one. Next section, find the perimeter of the triangle, round to the nearest tenth. So perimeter is all of the sides added together. It's not going to be an issue to use tangent to find this. However, it might be an issue to find the length of the hypotenuse because you need to use the Pythagorean theorem. So this is a little more complicated here. In fact, I'm just going to stop this video now. We'll talk about that next time.